Over the road means that folks would be driving coast to coast, like New York City to California, back and forth, and they're gone 2 to 3 weeks out. For the folks who want to do that, they can. The folks that want to drive and see the country and visit different places, they can. Regional driving is a little bit different. Regional, for example, would be driving in the Northeast. They're home every weekend. It could be home every night, which is a dedicated run for a certain customer. Then there's local companies. Local driving is where they're home every night, running in and out of companies like Budweiser here in the Baldwinsville. It could be running food products, etc. So there's many different driving opportunities for the graduates now. Back in the day, it was driving over the road, but now they can graduate, drive local, regional, or over the road.